everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to use speaker notes in Google Slides. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you can go ahead and create your new presentation. As you can see, I have already created a presentation right here, and here I have a couple of slides, my main slide and then my other slides. So all the slides have some info on them, and guys, today I'll be showing you how to use speaker notes when presenting your slides, so that you can remember better what you have to say about every slide. So yeah guys, it's very easy and let's get into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and open up the slide where I want to use the speaker notes. You can use it for any slide guys, and it can be different. You will just use the same method for every slide. But yeah guys, let's say this slide right here, the second slide is the one I want to use my speaker notes for. So how I'm going to do that guys? Well, it's very easy. All you have to do guys is look right here at the lower corner right here under the slide where it says click to add speaker notes. Here guys, you can just go ahead and start typing anything that you want to appear in your speaker notes while presenting. So I'm just going to type in hello and thanks for watching. And now guys, after successfully doing that, you can just click anywhere and it will be automatically saved. As you can see, if I go to the third slide right now guys, it will appear that there is no notes. This is only for the second slide. So if I want for my third slide to also add some notes, I'm going to type in something like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, after I have successfully added the speaker notes, now you're going to be able to see them when you're presenting. And you want to present in presenter view guys. You're going to do that by going right here in the upper right corner where the slideshow option is, and then you're going to click this arrow pointing downwards. Go ahead guys, and this will open up this new menu, and here you want to click presenter view. So here guys, as you can see, I have successfully started my presentation in presenter view, and now I'm going to go to the other slide. As you can see, while presenting, nobody will be able to see this tab right here. You will be only presenting the main one without the presenter notes. So as you can see here guys, now I'm going to go ahead to my second slide. As you can see here guys, now you will be able to see that I am in my second slide, and now I can see my speaker notes right here. Hello and thanks for watching. And then I'm going to go to the next slide, and here you can see it says like and subscribe to the channel. And this is how you will be able to see your speaker notes. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.